So, we went around to college campuses and asked regular college students just like you, in this vast sea of potential suitors, what sets someone apart? When you're looking for a significant other, what sets that person apart?
Definitely if they can vibe with me.
I like someone who's like outgoing.
Wouldn't know.
Okay.
Tell the truth. I don't like to be lied to.
They're honest.
Yeah. How they treat other people.
Definitely their personality.
Their personality.
7s are better.
Athletic.
7s are better.
Very subjective, but 7s.
What is the scale you're working with?
Just a cuteness scale, 1 to 10.
Not a picky eater. I don't have time for that. It's cheesy, but like their smile.
I was gonna say that. Jennifer Aniston.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Their eyes.
Okay.
Blue eyes.
Blue eyes. Oh. I don't know if claim
Probably height.
Those two they care about.
I like cleanliness.
Curly hair.
He has curly hair.
I do.
Victor, you're my match, bro.
No, chill.
They're kind of like nerdy, like skinny guys. You know what I mean?
Skinny boys. I don't know why it just happens like that.
You know what I'm talking about.
It's like if there's some opportunity for them to like go on stage somewhere, or like, and maybe at a party doing like a kite stand, to like.
No, chill.
If she's pretty.
Just approaching me, I guess.
Oh, you want to be approached?
You can't come off as like boring to me, cause I'm a very I'm not a boring person.
What if she had the same color hair as you?
That'd be kind of cool, because then I could have ginger kids.
That'd be
I
powerful.
want some ginger kids.
Yeah.
We're going extinct.
My mom has 2 rules for the people I'm allowed to date. She says they have to be nice to their mom and they have to be nice to me.
It definitely can't be mediocre.
Yeah.
She also says that you shouldn't date someone who peaks in college.
Okay.
What about you?
Tall and driven.
Tall and German?
Driven.
German, that's good. Wait.
And tall, dark, and handsome.
A loud laugh.
Okay. You have to be funny. I like to laugh.
The thing is, like, they gotta be funny.
A sense of humor.
A dry sense of humor.
I would say sense of humor.
Humor.
Dark sense of humor is definitely necessary. Off the wall, like laughing at some horror movie stuff.
Okay.
Have like our own language, our really close friends that we've had for a long time. To make fun of it, they call it the babe language because we call each other babe all the time.
Someone who, I guess, vibes with me.
I need somebody intelligent. I don't want to date nobody dumb.
I'm not a huge like selfie guy.
You don't like if they like take selfies?
Nah, like constantly.
If I can vibe with them naturally.
Vibe. I go off by like the vibe of a person. Vibe with it.
Vibe.
Style is a big thing for
their
me.
backs. I love people's backs. Is that a good thing?
Sure.
Can I say that?
Good teeth.
That's other people said.
Oh no, definitely good teeth. Teeth.
I like light-skinned dudes, but
I'm actually really into Tri-Delt girls. Girls that are in Tri-Delt, the sorority.
Like the vibe, like how they act, like.
Would you say like you could vibe with them?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. It's more than vibe with, I feel like.
You just gotta be able to match that same vibe, you feel me?
Entrepreneurial is a huge plus.
interesting.
If somebody makes me feel good and I want to be around them, that's my significant other.
Like if you vibe.
Correct.
She's a little weird. I'm a little weird, so that blends perfectly.
What makes you weird?
I'm a little nerd.
It's a vibe.
It's
a vibe. Like if you can match energy and like match vibes with somebody, then that's how you know.
Okay, everyone has been saying vibe. What is vibe like? What does that actually mean?
It's like a feeling that you get. You know what I'm saying? Like like when you get that feeling around like a person that you think like it looks really good.
Yeah.
Faith, values, and
Know the Lord.
oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying? I need a woman that, stays in the word, you know what I'm saying? Because then after that, everything could. But yeah.